Is your Windows 11 PC running slow? In this video, I'll show you the best ways to speed up Windows 11 in 2026 using simple and 100% working methods. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Click on Startup Apps. Disable apps you don't need. This improves boot speed significantly. Next, press Windows plus R. Type Temp and then press Enter on your keyboard. Select and delete all files you can. Next, repeat with %10%. This frees up space and improves performance. Another method, run System Repair command. Click on Start and type to search CMD. Open CMD as administrator. Type sfc/scan no. Press Enter. This repairs corrupted Windows files automatically. Another method, adjust performance settings. Click on Start and Search. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then select Adjust for best performance. Next, enable Storage Sense. Click on Start. Settings. System. Then Storage. Click to turn on Storage Sense. Lastly, install the latest Windows updates for performance and bug fixes. If your PC still feels slow, consider upgrading to an SSD. It makes a huge difference. If this video helped speed up your Windows 11 PC, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials.